The Yeap Herbnifique 3-in-1 Decarboxylator is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of a decarboxylator, oil infuser, and gummy maker, making it ideal for creative herbal enthusiasts. Its digital control panel allows for precise adjustment of time and temperature, ensuring optimal extraction of active compounds from herbs. The device includes a silicone stirring tool that guarantees even heating during decarboxylation and infusion processes, enhancing the efficiency of compound extraction. A comprehensive kit accompanies the machine, featuring a stainless steel strainer, oil and tincture press, silicone gummy molds, and a recipe book, catering to diverse herbal recipes. Its compact and sleek design ensures it is a stylish addition to any kitchen, saving space without compromising functionality. The device is designed to operate under a voltage of 110 to 120 volts, making it essential to use a transformer if used under a 220 volts voltage.